I love singing my national anthem. And look, my parents are from Serbia. I was born in Australia. I now live in America. But I want to ask you, are you a good citizen? The citizen of the world is someone who understands that this world needs more love. There is so much negativity out there. There is corruption, there are wars, there is violence, there's a lot of stuff out there that gets me scared sometimes. But as I am a good citizen, I want to do all that I can be to make this world a better place and to love my country. To see how I can help my country be the best country it can be. I want to help the poor. I want to help give more opportunities to citizens of my country. I want you to see the amazing gift of committing to being a good citizen.